Riverside County Sheriff Chad Bianco is warning that the economic crisis caused by coronavirus is already having a major impact on public safety. And as News Channel 3's I-Team investigator John White reports, the sheriff is now warning that the new jail in Indio may not open, leaving the valley with no jail.
If they cut anything from my department, unfortunately, the Indio Jail, the expansion of the Indio Jail will be the first thing that will have to be eliminated from our budget, and it won't open.
The sheriff saying he can't open the new John J. Benoit Detention Center in Indio with current staffing. He also says he needs to clear the current inmates, about 350 of them, out of the old Indio Jail by June 9th or 10th so it can be demolished. That would leave the Coachella Valley without a jail.
We would have to absorb those in the rest of the jail system.
So we may go from expecting a new 1,600 bed jail facility to zero.
Yeah, pretty much.
Budget cuts, he says, could decimate public safety.
The numbers have gone anywhere from a $16 million hit to the sheriff's department to an $80 million. So we're trying to come up with many different scenarios to how we're going to make that work.
Already, the sheriff saying the virus has taken an incredible toll. 2 deputies have lost their lives, 2 inmates as well. The virus spread quickly in the jails. There have been 190 confirmed cases. He says there is big improvement now.
We're down to in the teens of inmates and employees that are affected. So we're doing well now.
The sheriff, the target of a federal lawsuit in April. A judge was critical of the sheriff's plan to handle the spread of coronavirus in the jail system. He says the dispute is being resolved.
Quite honestly, it was a big waste of time, of everyone's time and money, when we really should have just, if she had concerns, we should have just gone back into mediation like we ended up doing in the first place.
Records do show that of 190 cases in the jails, 134 of them are now recovered. The sheriff is more concerned, he says, about the new zero bail policy in California that has reduced his jail population, and he says he's releasing criminals back onto the streets.
I think we're coming up on 50, the number of 50 that we've rearrested after they've been let go, and I think we're over 10 now that have been arrested multiple times.
On enforcement of coronavirus public health orders, the sheriff has been outspoken, saying his department won't do it.
In the name of a public health crisis, our civil liberties and constitutional protections were placed on hold.
It's apparent to everybody that this is no longer a medical issue, this is a political issue. So you've got all of that coming into play.
Right now, the sheriff saying the budget will dictate what he can and cannot do when it comes to public safety, and admitting it's going to take help.
Unfortunately, I'm going to have to be in favor of any help that we can get, whether it comes from the state or whether it comes from the federal government. The repercussions that our economy is going to have in the recovery from a 3-month shutdown is going to be felt for a long time.
John White, News Channel 3.
Have a tip you want the I-Team to investigate? Email iteam@kesq.com or call the KESQ newsroom.